share with you in moments like this. Right now, you are down and out, and feeling really crappy, I'll say. And when I see how sad you are, it sorta makes me happy. 'Cause I really need a human nature. There's nothing I can do. It's Schadenfreude, making me feel glad that I'm not you.
Well, that's not very nice, Cacophony.
Oh, I didn't say it was nice, but everybody does it. You ever clap when a waitress falls and drops a tray of glasses?
Earlier.
And ain't it fun to watch figure skaters falling on their asses?
Yes.
Don't you feel all warm and cozy watching people out in the rain?
Who doesn't?
That's Schadenfreude. People taking pleasure in your pain.
Schadenfreude, that sounds, what is that, some sort of Nazi word?
Yeah, it's German for happiness at the misfortune of others.
Happiness at the misfortune of others, that is German. Watching a vegetarian being told you just ate chicken.
Yeah. Or watching a frat boy realize just what he put his dick in.
Being on an elevator when somebody yelled, "Hold the door!" No!
Schadenfreude. Fuck you, lady, that's what stairs are for.
How about trainee students getting B's?
Exes getting STD.
Waking doormen from their naps.
Watching tourists reading maps.
Football players getting tackled.
CEOs getting shackled.
Watching actors never reach the ending of their Oscar speech.
Schadenfreude. 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 The world needs people like you and me who've been knocked around by fate and the Dodgers. 'Cause when